Let's start one of the most important essay about role of youth for nation buildings. As you know that Nepal has entered into a new era. It is now a republican country. It is changing into a new Nepal. In fact, the youth are the students. They are the pillar of the country. They have energy, dreams, and goals. They have to handle the new Nepal tomorrow. Nepal has just been free from autocrats. It is a background in many aspects. There are many social evils. People are still uneducated and unaware. Nepal is full of natural resources. It is the country of beauty, nature. Political system is immature in this situation. The students have many duties to do. Students is the main things they should know. The present political crisis in the past they help a lot in political movements. Now the political parties are fighting for cheers. They aren't serious about the new constitutions, so the youth must give pressure to the political parties. Similarly, there are various dead habits in our society. There are no equal rights for females. Only there is priority given to the males. The student protects it. This will convince the old generation about equality for both male and females. There is still untouchability discussion between male and female. They should start to avoid it. There are many bad social activities in our society. We should remove these bad social activities. Uh, Likewise, dowry system, corruption, robbery, murder, and violence are pushing us backward our country day by day. The youth must take up this challenge. They should fight against such evils and make free from these bad social activities. Similarly, industrial development is a must for Nepal for development. Agriculture must be improved. It should be modern, not as a traditionally. Natural resources must be utilized found in our one locality. We should use it. Old generation can't be easily changed, so be we must be ahead so the new generations can help. The youth should change their knowledge into practice, not only theory. Similarly, they have to modify and preserve our cultures. Then, as you know that students are the nation building of the country. New Nepal can't be new only with talk and slogans. We should practice it. Not only saying that Nepal is enter into new era, we should take it into our hands. So, students must follow their duties to develop our one country. So, thank you.